Ever wish you had more time for what matters most? Life moves fast. Work, family, pets, endless chores. You come home, longing for a moment of peace. But the floor is covered in pet hair and dust. You sigh, knowing cleaning steals precious moments. You remember the laughter of your children, the gentle purr of your cat at your feet. You wish you could spend more time with them. What if cleaning didn't take away your evenings? What if your home stayed spotless, effortlessly? Introducing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. A revolution in hands-free, intelligent cleaning. With 7,000 pi suction, it tackles even the toughest messes. Pet hair, crumbs, dust, gone in one powerful sweep. Its advanced LDS laser navigation scans your home. 360-degree mapping ensures every corner is sparkling clean. No more missed spots or repeated paths. 4 cleaning modes adapt to your unique needs. Vacuuming before mopping for a truly deep clean. Adjustable suction and water flow for every surface. It's smart enough to avoid obstacles and precious items. Worried about delicate furniture? It navigates with care. Let it work while you enjoy your favorite book. Or play with your kids, free from worry. Control everything from the My Home app. Start cleaning remotely, wherever life takes you. Schedule cleanings for when you're away. Set restricted zones to protect your pet's toys. Your preferences, your schedule, all at your fingertips. The all-in-one station handles the dirty work. Self-cleaning, emptying, drying, and water refilling. No more messy hands or dusty bins. Empty dust just once every 75 days. Enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Its minimalist design fits beautifully in any space. A statement of modern living and smart technology. Perfect for busy professionals on the go. Ideal for pet owners tired of daily sweeping. A dream come true for tech enthusiasts. Imagine waking up to spotless floors every morning. Imagine coming home to a fresh, inviting space. No more last-minute cleaning before guests arrive. No more sacrificing weekends for chores. Let technology give you your time back. Let your home care for itself so you can care for others. Every moment at home becomes more meaningful. You laugh more, worry less, and live fully. Your pets play freely. Your children crawl safely. Your evenings are filled with warmth, not work. The Xiaomi X20 Pro is more than a vacuum. It's a promise of more time for love. A promise of comfort, cleanliness, and peace. A promise of a home that truly welcomes you. You deserve a home that shines effortlessly. You deserve moments that matter every single day. Let the X20 Pro handle the mess. Let yourself enjoy the moments you cherish. Experience the freedom of hands-free cleaning. Experience the joy of a spotless home. Experience the warmth of more time together. Life is too short for endless chores. Choose smart. Choose effortless. Choose Xiaomi. Join thousands of families embracing a new way to clean. Bring home the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro today. Let your home sparkle while your heart smiles. Reclaim your time. Reclaim your peace. Live more. Clean less. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Order now and feel the difference every day. Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. Cleaning that cares for you. Because every moment at home should be a moment of joy.